Hey guys, I'm Dion from DionVideoProductions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to instantly sync audio in Final Cut Pro 10. Now, if you're shooting any kind of interview or dialogue, you're most likely recording audio using an external source to get as close to the subject as possible, allowing for the best audio quality. This then has to be synced with the scratch audio from your camera's built-in microphones, and you can use a clapperboard to help manually match the tracks, but Final Cut has an easier built-in function that will automatically sync audio. This I'll be showing you today. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, in my events library, you can see I have two example clips. One is video shot on my camera that also contains scratch audio. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export a Final Cut Pro 10. And the second is an audio recording from my external audio recorder. How to export a Final Cut Pro 10 project as an Instagram story. Now, if I drag both of these into the timeline, you will see that they do not sync and that the audio clip is actually longer than the video. This is because I started and stopped the audio recorder before the camera. This particular example shows a relatively short clip. However, when you're dealing with longer or multiple clips, manually syncing the tracks can be very time consuming. So I'll now remove the clips from the timeline and go back to the events library. To utilize the auto sync function, you have to select both the footage and the audio that you want to sync. You can select them both by clicking them one by one while holding shift. Then go up to the clip menu and select the synchronize clips option. From here, a menu will appear. You can leave all the settings unchanged, as this will automatically convert the frame rate of the audio source to that of the video, effectively eliminating the possibility for any audio drifting that can occur. In addition to this, Final Cut will automatically mute the scratch audio from the camera and replace this with the external audio source, basically doing all of the work for you. Then press OK, give it a second to process and render. The synchronized clip will now appear as a new clip in the event library. This can be distinguished with the little chain icon seen in the corner. Now let's drag this into our timeline and see how it looks. We can see that Final Cut has preserved all of the video and audio clips. Because the audio clip is longer than the video, there are parts that show a black screen where there is no video. These parts can simply be removed, but now for the most important part, has it correctly synced the audio? Because I'm currently using a screen recording program, I can't play this back properly in Final Cut, but instead we'll show you the exported clip exactly as Final Cut auto-synced the audio. Have a listen. I'm going to be showing you how to export a Final Cut Pro 10 project as an Instagram story. Let's get started. As you can see, this syncs perfectly throughout the entire clip. Again, notice it automatically muted the audio from the camera, leaving only the better quality external audio. Hopefully this will save you some time when editing audio. If so, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more content like this. Also consider checking out some more of my Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials. Thank you for watching.